Hello everyone and welcome to Gyan Vihar University, Jaipur. Friends, I am Dr. Mahendra Dhakat, Assistant Professor, Gyan Vihar University, Jaipur. Friends, today we discuss about personality development with yoga. What are the basic needs of human beings? Some basic needs are to human beings: food, cloth, and shelter. There are three basic needs of any human being. Every person want to food, clothing, and shelter. रोटी, कपड़ा और मकान. Maintain food health, maintain good health. God blessing to maintain your positive mind. There are two basic aspects of human being. First is health and second is mental health. Physical health and mental health. If you maintain good health, you have maintained good physical health, and God blessing to maintain your positive mind and positive thinking and good mental health. Wheel of life, east and west. In east, in India, our four purusharth: dharma, arth, काम और मोक्ष. The moksha is param purusharth and final destination of every human being. In western, the wheel of life is health, environment, friends and family, finance, work, achievement, learning, fun, and love. This is a wheel of life. Every man moving in these aspects: health and fun, environment and friends, family, finance and work, achievement and learning, and other facets of the life. Have you ever thought to ask yourself, who are you? How well do you know yourself? What are you good at? What are your weaknesses, fears, innermost strength and desires? What are you hidden? Are we going on the right path? Do we get what we want? Many a times answer is no. There are two basic questions. Are we going on right path? Do we get what we want? Most of the time answer is no, because of we are not satisfied to our life, not satisfied our action, not satisfied to our thought and yourself. ourselves. We don't want to change. If you want to change, you must succeed your success. Why do we refuse to change? Change means lot of trouble, pain, risk, efforts, sacrifice. There are 5 major troubles we are facing when we accept change. Trouble, pain, risk, effort, sacrifice. Who is the main important person for success? Who is the culprit for this? There are 2 major questions about human psychology. Who is the main important person for success? And other aspect is, who is the culprit for this? How will we get success? The important question is, how will get success? Through our personality development, through change in our personality, through change in our aims, through change our positivity, our purpose, our attitude, our action. Now, how we gain success in our life? First answer is through our personality development and change in your life. How personality can be defined? What is the personality? व्यक्तित्व क्या है? The personality is very broad concept in psychology. And in psychology of personality. Dictionary meaning of personality is to make up, disposition, temperament, nature, character, identity. It means personality. To mask means to make up, mukhota. Disposition, which thing we accept as our characteristic and attribute, means disposition. And temperament is our internal character, our internal behavior, our nature, character and identity. This is personality. Which of the following helps define the term personality? Characteristics that are typical for a person Characteristics that make a person unique: acting, thinking, and feeling. All of the above are the character of personality, attribution of personality. We may define personality help of this aspect. Then we see what is personality. Personality is the collection of emotions, thoughts, and behavioral patterns unique to a person, that is consistent over a period of time. It originates from the Latin word persona, which means mask. So, personality is a collection of emotions, thoughts, behavioral action, pattern for a person that is consistent over a period of time. That means the mask. Personality includes everything, and personality excludes nothing. If we see in a positive sense, the personality includes everything. Every aspect of person are included in personality. And other hand, in negative sense, nothing exclude to personality. So we may say everything, every character is a personality. Every character and every attributes include in personality. So personality is a broad concept and major concept in psychology. Floyd LaRouche stated that the human personality includes external appearance and behavior, inner awareness of self as a permanent organizing force. The particular pattern of organization of measurable traits, both inner and outer. According Gordon Allport, personality is a dynamic organization within the individual of those psychological system that determine his and her unique adjustment to environment. So we may say there are three aspects of a personality according Gordon Allport. First is dynamic organization, and second is individual psychological system. Dynamic aspect and static aspect. Static aspect is physiological aspect, and dynamic is a behavioral aspect that determine his or her unique adjustment to environment. The third aspect is unique adjustment. Static aspect, dynamic aspect, and third is adjustment aspect. Gerard Matthews stated that it is a combination of physical qualities, mental qualities, social qualities, and character. Other than physical qualities, all others are inner traits: mental, social, character, spiritual, cognitive. That is a inner traits, and external traits is physical qualities. And there are two type of personality that classified by modern psychologists: introvert and extrovert. First we see extrovert: warmth, seeking novelty and excitement, gregariousness, assertive, cheerful, talkative, enjoys being the center of attention, and action oriented. In other hand, the introvert: you're self aware, thoughtful, enjoys understanding details, interested in self knowledge, the self understanding tends to keep emotions private, quiet, and reserved in large groups or around unfamiliar people. More sociable and gregarious around people they know well. Observation: there are two type personality: in extrovert and introvert. Introvert means very self aware, thoughtful, enjoys understanding details, interested in self knowledge, and self understanding tends to keep emotions private, quiet, and reserved in large groups or around unfamiliar people. More sociable and gorgeous around people they know well, learns well through observation. In other hand, extrovert type of people is warmth, seeking novelty and excitement, gregoriousness, assertive, cheerful, talkative, enjoy being the center to attention, and action oriented. Introvert and extrovert. In between, there are third type of the personality is ambivert. In ambivert type of personality have both type character of both type personalities. Sometimes a person show extrovert type personality and other time he show introvert characteristic. So introvert and extrovert personality depends on time, place and situation and needs. Sometime a person show as a introvert personality and other time same person show the extrovert personality. So we may say that type of personality is ambivert type personality. Then we see what is personality development. What are the ways in which we may go to personality development? According Erikson, a noted psychologist calls development as a continuous process extending from birth through adulthood. He calls them psychological stages. They range from the first year of life, second year, third through fifth year, sixth year to puberty, adolescence, early adulthood, middle adulthood, and the aging years. Aging years beginning 65 brings new problem. What are type of problems? Some special problem facing in aged senior citizen. In middle adulthood, ages 40 to 65, these years constitute the most productive period. So we may say 40 to 65 years is golden period of the life. That period is a very productive and very creative period of our life. According to Sigmund Freud is a psychoanalytical philosopher, psychoanalytical thinker. Sigmund Freud developed the psychoanalytical theory. Our actions and determine by forces and impulsions that often operate at an unconscious level. Sigmund Freud focus on mind. According to Freud, there are three parts of mind: conscious mind, subconscious mind, and unconscious mind. There are three types of the mind have a personality. Sigmund Freud also focus on self-defense mechanism theories, projective, regression, suppression, and others type of the dream analysis, daydream, and other type of the defense mechanism for a personality. Don't remain a bud, blossom like a flower. Very important for a personality development theories. Don't remain a bud, एक बड नहीं रहना है. ब्लॉसम लाइक ए फ्लावर, पुष्प फूल की तरह खिलना है. बड मीन्स नॉट लाइक ए अंडरडेवलप्ड. Development is our right birth. We must try to our potentiality to actuality. व्यक्ति को अपने विकास का संपूर्ण प्रयास करना चाहिए और उसको विकसित होना चाहिए, डेवलपमेंट करना चाहिए. Blossom like a flower, not a bud. Can personality be developed? क्या पर्सनालिटी को डेवलप किया जा सकता है? Yes. Any person can at any time develop his and her personality through conscious efforts towards the attainment of a better self. A developed personality is a best version of the individual to yesterday. In present, if you want develop yourself by yoga through अभ्यास और वैराग्य, your best version come to in future. This is a personality development. Improve your personality. It is true that past can't be changed. We can't change our past. It is true. But a decision right now can improve your personality beyond the widest expectations. Take a right decision at a right time. You can improve your personality, you can improve yourself, you can develop your personality. But depends on yourself, your right decision, and stuck with your right decision. Abhyas and meditation, yoga and meditation, abhyas and viragya, by kriya yoga, by panchkles, by meditation, pranayam, asana, personality development. Our personalities continue to develop throughout our lifetimes. Personality development is more obvious during childhood, when people experience rapid physical, emotional, and intellectual growth. During adulthood, personality traits change at a much slower rate. Personality development. Our personalities continue to develop throughout our lifetime. Personality development is more obvious during childhood, when people experience rapid physical, emotional, and intellectual growth. During adulthood, personality traits change at a much slower rate. Character. Who are you? When no one is watching, it is a vital prerequisite for achieving a better personality. Importance of character. Even the best of behavioral traits fail if they are not based on the solid foundation of character. Even the best of behavioral traits fail if they are not based on the solid foundation of character. Stephen Covey. When you develop your personality, when you improve your personality, first, improving awareness, improving self knowledge, finding finding greater self direction, building self confidence, enhancing lifestyle or the quality of life, becoming happier and making others also happier, controlling anger, improving health, spiritual development, social development, improving happiness, improving cheering and cheerness, live in calm and peace, and much more aspect of personality development. When you develop your personality, improving awareness, improving self knowledge, self direction, self confidence, self regulation, enhancing lifestyle and quality of life, happy life, controlling your anger, anxiety, depression, improving health, spiritual, social development, many facets, many aspects of personality. Yoga and personality development, how yoga helps to build your character, personality, how Ashtanga yoga will help you, how yoga helps to physical and mental health, physical exercise versus yogasan, pranayam, योग निंद्रा, शवासन, make your resolutions firm, meditation for improving concentration and memory power, how yam niyam asan will help you, how dharana dhyan samadhi help you, how yoga helps to build your character, build your personality, how yoga helps to overcome any type of disease, sound body and sound mind. And after the complete of the lecture, we may discuss some MCQs for point of view, examination point of view. The question number first is, the basis of Panchkosa is option A Kena Upanishad, B is Prasanna Upanishad, and C is Taittiriya Upanishad, and D Isha Upanishad. C is correct answer, Taittiriya Upanishad is a correct answer. And question number second is, the core teaching of Shankaracharya is Brahm alone is real, the word is real, B is unreal, C is Brahm, and D is heaven. And B is correct answer, Brahm Satyam Jagat Mithya Jivo Brahmev Napre. Unreal is correct answer. And question number third is, the figure formed in भुजंगासन, किस प्रकार का फिगर बनता है भुजंगासन? ए टाइप मंकी, B. Snake or serpent type. C is lion and D is horse. B is correct answer, serpent. Figure found in Bhujangasana. Lion figure found in Singhasan. Question number 4 is the founder of yoga system. A. Maharishi Kapil. B. Gemini Rishi. C. Patanjali. And D. Yogacharya. C is correct. Maharishi Patanjali is the founder of yoga system. Question number 5 is the length of Sutra Neti according to Bhatt Pradipika and Gerand Samhita. Gerand Samhita is option A 2 balist. 2 balist means approximate 1.5 feet. B is 2 balist, approximate 9 inch. C half balist, approximate 4.5 inch. And D is 1.5 balist, approximate 13.5 inch. B is correct answer, 1 balist. Question number 6 is the length of Vastra Dhoti according to Bhatt Pradipika is A 7.5 feet, B is 15 feet, C is 22.5 feet, and D is 26 feet. C is correct, 22.5 feet. Question number 7 is the meaning of prana is A vital energy, B air, C oxygen, D all of the above. A is correct answer, vital energy. Pran means vital energy. Question number 8. The nature of Pingala Swar is A cold, B hot, C cold and hot, and D none of the above. B is correct, hot. The Pingala nature is hot. And question number 9 is the original language of yoga is A Hindi, B Sanskrit, D Latin, C Latin, and D Greek. Option B is correct, Sanskrit. The original language of yoga is Sanskrit. Yoga Sutra compiled in Sanskrit language. And question number 10, the other name of yogic anima is A Noli, B Dhoti, C Basti, and D Tratak. Basti is a correct answer. Thank you very much.